Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for Discord Nitro with Google Play. So let's get into the video. So if you want to pay for Discord using Google Play, simply download the app. So go to your Play Store and then just get the app, Discord app. So once you've downloaded it, open it up and then log into your account. So you need to be logged into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, just go to your account settings here. So click on this U tab here, click on it, and then on top there you'll see a nitro option there. So simply click on it and this will get you to this purchase page here. So simply select the plan that you wish to purchase. So simply select that, and then how do you want to pay it, just simply select one of these option, and then once you're done, so this will automatically take you to the Google Play section here. So if you open up, once you open up the app and then proceed with the purchase, it will open up this Google Play section here. So here all you have to do is simply select the payment method. So however you want to pay for this using, so simply select that. So you have all these methods here. So whatever method you're selecting, just select that and then just get back and then hit on subscribe and then continue and then complete these transactions. So that's how you pay for Discord Nitro with Google Play. It's pretty easy and straightforward. All you have to do is just get the download the app and then log in and then just go through with the purchase instructions. So that will take you through the Google Play. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.